we just get your reaction? Cavite Representative Kiko Barzaga is eyeing to file impeachment complaint against the President. Nakarating na po ba ito sa Presidente, ma'am?
Makarating o hindi makarating, ito naman po ay trabaho po yan at saklaw po yan ng House of Representatives.
But ma'am, before po itong plano niyang pag-file ng impeachment complaint, he's also calling for the President to resign because yung corruption daw po ay dito sa Malacanang nanggagaling. Ano pong masasabi ng Palas?
Mahirap po kasi magsalita ng walang ebidensya. Madaling magbintang, madaling magsabi kung ano-ano. Kung walang ebidensya, hindi dapat paniwalaan.
Yusek, how does the palace or how does the president view these moves by Congressman Barzaga? He said he will file an impeachment. He called for people power to oust the president. He called for the president's resignation. While the congressman's ways may be unconventional, he is certainly getting a lot of attention. Is Malacanang paying attention?
Sa panahon ngayon na marami pong ginagawa ang Pangulo, hindi po pinapansin ang mga ganyang klaseng usapin. Busy ang Pangulo sa pagtulong sa mga kababayan natin, maraming trabaho para maiangat pa ang Pilipinas, hindi para ibaba ang dignidad ng ating bansa.
But again, is the president paying attention to Congressman Barzaga?
Just a smile.